Hi guys, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. One thing you'll never hear me say is I'd rather paint my ceilings instead of go outside and play or go to the beach on a pretty day. But what you will hear me say is I'm going to paint my ceilings and I'm going to paint my walls and save a ton of cash so I can go buy the things I like and maybe make my makeover just that much better so I can afford nice faucets or a heated towel rack or whatever it might be on my makeover that I'm working on. So today I'm going to share with you my favorite tips for painting ceilings and my favorite tools so you can save a bundle too and go out and buy the stuff that you want to buy for your makeover. Okay, hi. So now I'm going to show you my favorite time-saving tip for painting ceilings and walls. I've painted rooms in the North House, ceilings in the North House, my garage in concrete blocks, all with the HomeRite paint stick, the Easy Twist, and I wouldn't do without it. So let me show you how easy this is to put together. It comes with a special foam roller with holes in it that goes inside of another special roller. So in other words, the point is you cannot use a regular foam roller with this. You must use the HomeRite parts. It goes onto the paint stick. You're going to secure the end. Hear it click? Okay. You've got an optional splatter tray here that you can put on, and it really does help keep the splatters down, especially if you're painting on carpet and other areas that you really want to make sure that you don't have any messes. Okay, so loading my paint stick is a super easy proposition. I'm going to take this little siphon tool. It's going to stick in the outside of my can. No, that is totally wrong. Let's do that again. It's going to stick on the inside of my can with the clip on the outside. Okay. And in order to load up your paint stick, you simply put your little piece in that gasket there and you pull your handle back and the paint stick fills with paint. See, as I depress the handle, the paint starts coming out. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, H2O Bungalow, as well as my blog where you can find me on h2obungalow.com and find over 450 awesome DIY and home improvement tutorials.